a great feeling of relief enveloped me, knowing that you feel as I do. Oh, shall we cry? Let's all cry together. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all well and having a fabulous week. Today I'm bringing you my design team project for Happiness in Crafting, designed by the lovely Gi Kerr. Yes, I'm still a member of G's and Tracy's. I love working with these two lovely ladies, and I will continue working with them because I simply love to support their business. So yeah, I will still carry on as long as they want me to. So yeah, no, absolutely. I had different feedback, put it that way, from other creators. They see my website as kind of like formal competition, which I don't see like that. It's, you know, the word, every creator is so different. We all have different styles, and you know, if you think about, like, in the world, we all have different restaurants. So you've got a Chinese restaurant, a Thai restaurant, an Italian restaurant, a French restaurant. So we all like different cuisine. And also between the Italian restaurants, you might go to one because you like the meatballs. You go into the other one because you prefer the pizza. So, you know, the world is so diverse and diverse, so we all need to appreciate one another, and you know, we all do different things with different styles. So I'm absolutely excited to be working with this kit, because as soon as I see it, I said to the first thing I say, I want this for design project for June, and I love this kit, and I'll show you in just a second why. It's called Letter to Rose. It's basically a selection. It's a kit that is a selection of letters and embellishment, and this is the page I'm going to concentrate today, but I'll tell you everything in just a moment. Let me show you the kit first. Okay, so you get embellishment, so you get a background. I mean, this is amazing. This will be an amazing journal if you simply fold the page. I mean, of course you have to trim the white bit. So if you print front and back, you can get a fabulous journal full of these beautiful letters, because what G has cleverly done, so you've got a page with a letter. I mean, I'm not even folding it properly. Wait a minute, let me fold it properly. So you've got a page with a letter and a page with the flowers. You got a blank page, you got a couple of backgrounds. Look at that. I'm sure that's St. Paul's in London. I'm sure it's a St. Paul's, the cathedral. I might be wrong. Love these. And then you got a lot of pages with the letters. I'm not going to read it to you, but the very romantic letters, dated 10th of June 1907. My darling Rose. Oh, what a beautiful name, Rose. If I will ever have a daughter, which is not on the plan, I will call it Rose. It's such a beautiful name. So got another one there. I love these. That's very me. You see, G's style is very shabby. You see, everything that she creates is very shabby. I'm not a very shabby person, but I appreciate this art. I appreciate this design. It's just not something I would do. I'm very colourful. I'm very more is more. I'm very clashy. I'm very contrast, but I do really appreciate these. So let me show you what is in my head. So what I wanted to do, I lost it. I'm sure it was the first page. Oh no, don't start, please. Where is it? Things on my desk disappeared, and I'm sick and tired of this now. I'm gonna put a camera in this room. Oh, there is. Sorry, I'm being dramatic for nothing. So this is the page I want to use today, but also I want to use some of the letters. So let me try to be as clear as possible. Okay, I love this page. I love these embellishment, and what I want to do, I want to use my printing pink kit. You find this on page 10 of the catalogue. me get you the catalogue. Page 10. You can download, I'm sure all of you guys have told me that you download the catalogue, so it's on the bottom of the website, www.antoniomakes.com, just on the very bottom. Page 10, pretty in pink. This kit includes 10 pages, a selection of backgrounds, fussy cut and embellishment. Code BB005, £2.75. Very, very cheap. So in this kit you got a selection, but I'm going to show you in just a second. So you get cards, 4 cards. So you can do greeting cards, you can do journaling cards. You got few backgrounds. Love this. And this one say, this is very me, more is more. Lots of beautiful butterflies. You got some pockets for your journal. I love this. This is probably my favorite page in the kit. Embellishment, so you got flowers, so you can die cut the petals, you can fussy cut it and create flowers and the leaves. But let me show you what is in my head. You've got more butterflies to fussy cut. Love this, love this. And you got a page with this beautiful paper doilies and a butterfly in the middle. What I've done, I have printed that page in a very, very thick, like I think it's 280 GSM. It's really, really thick, as you can hear it. So what I want to do, I want to use this embellishment on top of these butterflies and use it as like a big embellishment. But also what I want to do, I want to cut portions on the letter, roll it up, tied it with a little knot and put on top. So the person that gets this embellishment, there is like, I don't know how you call it in English, like a roll. Do you know the roll that you find in the bottle or on the pigeons? They used to put that roll, put it attached to the pigeon and send the pigeons away, and then that pigeon would leave that secret letter. Or if you think about to put this roll of paper in a bottle and you know, throw in the ocean. Yeah, I don't know how you call that, and it's frustrating because it's coming. I know how it will come back to me. So yes, I want to cut this message, roll it up, tied it and put in there, so the person that gets this embellishment, you can open up and see the letter. How cute is that? Right, so I'm going to cut everything because otherwise this video is going to be 9 hours. Gonna cut everything. I'm gonna do a couple of off camera and I'm gonna do one with you so you can see what is in my head. Okay, I'll see you shortly. Okay, let me show you what I made. So this is the first one. So I've used the doily on the background, the sentiment from Gi's, my butterflies I put on top, and then this is the secret message. Okay, I don't want to read it to you guys only because this will go out with my happy mail. I just want the person that will receive it to read it, because it's the beautiful words. So that's one. That's two. On this one, it's still a bit wet. I put one of the G's, fussy cuts with the flowers. So I put the flowers on top, put the embellishment, cherish, and that again, this is the message. Okay, and then what you do is simply roll it back up, and that will stay there. Okay, and then this is the very first one I made actually, and I just distressed the edge. As you can see, they're actually very easy to fussy cut, this embellishment, because I know they look complicated, but honestly they're really not. So yeah, so that's the butterfly on top. And I'm trying to match it because I do like when they do this sort of like 3D effect. And then there is a message here. Okay, with the beautiful words. So let me show you basically how to put them together, but it's very simple. So on here, we got the paper doily from my kit. And then what I do, so again, I first cut another rose from the Gi kit. So just glue that on top. Stay there. Then we're going to attach the embellishment, kindness. Now one that, yeah, so that's gonna go the glue just on this side of the paper. This is sort of project that you can make in bulk. Do you know, if you got, to be fair, I was just thinking when I was making them, they can make beautiful tags or gift tags, embellishments, do you know, to put on top of your presents, with a little name, and you know, you can write, I don't know, happy birthday, or just put any sort of sentences in there. So what I did, I'm gonna read this to you guys. It was with great anticipation and excitement that I did read the words that reciprocate the affection I have for you. A great feeling of relief enveloped me, knowing that you feel as I do. Oh, shall we cry? Let's all cry together. So what I did, I cut it, and then I distressed. I used my favorite distressing. This is the vintage photo, little spongy thing. So I basically aged it to make it even more. I mean, what you can do if you really want to, you can tea stained or coffee stained, but again, didn't really need to. So the side that's going to be attached to the embellishment, which will be the one on the left, you keep it. The one on the right, what I do, I used a kebab stick or skewer stick, and then I simply roll it up to itself, and then just come back, because what we want to do, we want to teach the paper to follow. So want to maneuver the fiber of the paper, so even when we're not going to put anything on it, the paper will remain rolled up, if it makes sense. Okay, very simple. You know me, I'm all about simplicity. Okay, so what you do, you just put a tiny bit of glue on this side there. I mean, as I said, with this idea, you can type or write anything that you want. Just going to put it in there because I don't want to cover. Okay. And then I'm just going to put one of the butterfly that you see on my kit. And just pop it in there. I always like to go on top with the glue, just to make sure it will remain attached. Okay, super simple, guys. Let me put it all together. As I said, you can make this in bulk because you can fussy cut all the hearts first, fussy cut all the butterflies, fussy cut the sentiments, and then you just glue them out together. Right, guys, that's it. I hope you like this simple, cute embellishment project. I really like this idea. Again, you can change the variation and make your own style as well. Okay, as usual, guys, I will put all the links down below. So I will put the Letter to Rose Gi's kit to Gi Kerr Etsy shop, and also I will put my link to my Pretty in Pink paper, so you can mix the match. And if you wish to purchase, you know, you can download the catalogue on my website and do what you want with it. At the back of the catalogue, in case you guys have not realised, there is a lovely freebie that you can print. So that's the front and that's the back. So you can print this yourself and have fun with this. Right, guys, that's it. I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. That will support the channel and the video doing well. Have a wonderful rest of your day or night, and until next time, stay safe and well.